Today we are in the northwest of Las Vegas, and for today's property tour we are in the community of Avery Pointe by Lennar. And for today's property tour we're going to be viewing floor plan Evan. Also guys, if this is your first time to my channel and you want to stay up to date with all the new builds here in the Las Vegas area, consider subscribing, tap that notification bell, that way you're the first to learn on any upcoming new builds here in Las Vegas. Also guys, we get calls, texts every single day from people just like you looking to purchase a new home. Whether you're 7 days, 90 days, give us a call, text, email, or schedule a Zoom meeting with us. We'll be glad to help you make that next purchase here in the Las Vegas area. Now let's get started. Floor plan Evan, guys, and as you can notice off the bat, yes, you do have an RV garage, and I cannot wait to show you guys that. So definitely stay till the end of this video if you want to check that out. And right now we are, if you're not too familiar, we're in the northwest of Las Vegas off the 215 and Ann, and this community just recently opened, guys. So what I always tell people is try to be one of the first ones to get in the community, because what we tend to see is that you'll pay less being one of the first ones in the community versus once it gets to the last phase. So there's right here, there's actually a total of 5 different floor plans. So we are in Avery Pointe and Avery Landing. There's 3 for Avery Pointe, and these are all single-story home, guys. I just did a property tour on that one. If you want to check it out, I'll have the link on your top right hand screen, guys. I definitely recommend watching this one first. So let's get started. So this is floor plan Evan in the community Avery Pointe. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and it is a 4-bay RV garage, guys. This one is a 2,448 square feet, and starting price is $689,990. Keep in mind, you will have your upgrades, so you have to add that and your lot premium, so something to consider. So everybody's situation is different, so it's hard to say this is how much you're going to pay in upgrades, because it just depends on you, what you like in your home. Now we'll get started. There's definitely a lot of construction going on right now, so I gotta let this car pass by. Also guys, keep in mind, this community just opened, so you can see right now they're still actually working on these model homes. So you're getting one of the first sneak peeks of this community. So also they are not staged, because we are here just getting the first-hand look for you guys. So they haven't even staged them yet. So right here you have a nice, good size front porch area right here. Really big, guys. You could come out here, have a bench, table, read a book, cup of coffee, drink, relax time. You know, I love how it has the stones as well. There's different elevations to pick from, guys, so depending on the elevation, there's also a different starting price for them. So something to keep in mind. And I can't believe I missed the most important part. Well, for a lot of people it is. RV garage. Look at this, guys. Massive. Cannot wait to show you guys. Usually they keep them locked, but today they are unlocked, so can't wait to show you. So here we have Evan by Lennar Homes. Can't wait to show you this home, guys. So as soon as you walk in, you notice you do have 9-foot ceilings. You have ceramic flooring throughout. And here to our right, you do have 2 bedrooms here in the front end. Let me show you bedroom number 1, now that we're just right here. They do have carpet. You'll have your pre-wiring for your ceiling fan. Then right over here, you have your Jack and Jill bathroom, guys. So you have access to bedroom 1 and 2 to this bathroom. So there you have your tub stand-up shower, your toilet, and on this side you have a sink, and then you have a walk-in closet. Let's go next door. Check out the other bedroom. And then you also have a sink on this side, so you have one there for this bedroom right here for bedroom number 2. And on this side, you have your sink for bedroom number 1. Here's the second bedroom. Also does have a walk-in closet. So here, you guys are gonna have to use your imagination for this property tour, just because it's not staged, and sometimes it's hard to see how actually big these rooms are when they don't have a bedroom. Then right here you have another bathroom. It's just a half bath, but good size. And here we have the living area, dining area, and kitchen, guys. Check out the size of this. Wait till you see that pantry, guys. That thing is massive. So we'll just start here with the kitchen. So you got a nice, oversized island. And let me see, are these storage cabinets right here? They sure are. So you got cabinets and their soft close on this side of the island. Quartz countertop. And on this side you have the quartz countertop, the backsplash tile. You got your stove, microwave, refrigerator, undermount stainless steel sink, dishwasher. That, guys. You got the gray cabinets with this one. Let me back up so you guys can check out this kitchen. All right, let's go check out this pantry, guys. Let me show you. There's the light. Really good sized pantry. Is it big enough for you? Let me know in the comments below. Then right over here to the left is gonna be your living room area. And to the right over here is gonna be your dining area. So really good size. And then here you have your backyard. Unfortunately, these doors are locked, so we won't have access to the backyard, but I can show you here from the window. I'll do my best to show you. So you have a covered patio, you have the pavers underneath. Another thing to keep in mind, guys, when you purchase a new build, you're just gonna get a clean slate. You won't get this landscaping. What you will get is the front landscaping, but not the back. So something to keep in mind. Let me see if I can show you more through these windows over here. But what I always tell people is like, use this for inspiration. There's people that literally just come to look at the model homes to get ideas on what to do to their home. Because most of these builders hire some nice landscapers to do some nice landscaping. Even on people that stage these homes. People come in and check out the other stage, get ideas and get inspired. So what do you guys want to see, the garage, or should we check out the primary? Let's check out the primary first since we're already here. But before we do, let's check out this massive laundry room, guys. How big this is. Really good size. Then here to the right, you do have a coat closet. And right over here, you have your primary bedroom. Also, you can see the backyard from here. Then your primary bath. So you got your dual sinks, you got your combo tub and stand-up shower. And here to the right, you have this walk-in closet. Big enough for you? Let me know in the comments below. Show you guys a view from here. So this is a prefabricated bath and the stand-up shower. You got the quartz countertop. Then over here, you have your toilet. Now let's go check out that RV garage, guys. Pretty excited to show you guys. Also, guys, if you guys are looking to purchase a new build home, and maybe you have your realtor or you want a realtor like myself to represent you, it's very important that we come with you on your first visit. That way you don't miss on our representation, because the builder requires us to be with you on the first visit. So just a heads up. All right, guys, check this out. I like how it has all those windows in there so it's not so dark in here. Look at that, guys. I mean, this thing is pretty massive. This something that you can use? If it is, let me know. Let's schedule a showing and let's come show you this property, guys. Like it, I like it. All right, guys, well, this concludes this property tour. If you guys enjoyed it, do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my upcoming new build home tours. Till next time, guys.